Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is March the 18th. Today we are looking at the chart of the Nvidia 45 minutes time frame here. So we can see we ended with X here and then now looking to go lower. So we are within the with Y to the downside. Like as you know, WXY is a double three, right? Double three or double correction. And the subdivision of the Y is currently in a zigzag where we completed A leg here and now looking to complete B leg as an A, B, C, where the A is a diagonal. Now looking for a B and a C. Then as long as we stay below 203, we can then turn lower again. So the bias is tilted to the bearish side. Now I will explain to you a couple of different views. Like I will explain to you why the bias is tilting to the downside, what will be some possible alternates, and why this will be sort of the more likely scenario. Now, first of all, let me zoom out and take a look at the daily time frame. Here is our daily time frame. Now, there's no reason it is extremely bullish. We made all-time high back in 2025 November, and then since then we've been sideways. It's not really bearish, but it is sideways, right? We are sideways since November last year, so it's been like 4 months we are in a sideways range. Now, but if you take a look at this entire 4 months sideways range here, and now you can have two different options here, right? It's either we are in a bullish sideways consolidation which will break higher, or this will tilt it and eventually can continue to go down. Now, let me explain to you what I think and why the more likely scenario is probably to the downside. Now, if you take a look at this cycle, the last significant low is back in April, right? This cycle here. Now, the question is, do you think, like for example, if this is a sideways and going higher, then that means this will be a wave 4 of some sort of, right? Wave 4 usually sideways consolidation. So then you might say, okay, can it be possible that we actually is let's say 1, 2 here, and then maybe 3 here, and then this is a 4 as a sideways consolidation, then another leg up. Now, I wouldn't say it's not possible. It is possible, but if you look at the structure, right, this entire sideways 4 months is going to look like it is too long. From distribution point of view, I mean, especially if you are counting this as a 1 and 2, because I don't see any other way other than this 1 and 2 if you want to call it sideways, bullish sideways consolidation, right? This has to be the 1 and 2 here. Then I wouldn't, if the 1 and the 2 is this much, this short and this fast, this does not look comparable to this. So it looks like from looking at this cycle here, this entire cycle from April ended here. That's what it looks to me. It ended here. Now the only question is, are we finished with the correction, or the correction is just the first leg to correct this April? Because if it is finished, implication is we're gonna go higher, not as a wave 5, but as a, let's say, wave 3 from here, 1, 2, 3 to the upside, which again, way too bullish in my view, right? I mean, the pullback is only what, very it's not even reaching 38.2 and then done and then look higher again. That looks to be a little bit too aggressive. So that means if you agree that this cycle looks complete, right? Now you might say, can we go 1 and 2 as a triangle? No, 2 cannot be a triangle, right? And again, 2, if you count this as wave 2, again the wave 2 is too shallow to correct this entire rally from April last year. So then we are left with the idea that either again wave 5 is less likely because this doesn't look like a wave 4 anymore based on the distribution in time and in price as well. So then we are left with the idea that, okay, then we are likely to go lower again one more time, eventually to correct this cycle. And that's why if you look at the 1 hour here, so we get with X here, which is the same as this one. This is with X, right? So if this is with X, then where's the W? If you look at the 1 hour, we're looking for more downside below the X here, right? So you can place the W somewhere here, for example. All right, so we got a W here, and then we have a corrective structure finishing the X, and then now, as long as we stay below the X, we could see another leg down again. You can see that the last couple of rally was clearly corrective, right? This one definitely is not an impulse here. Look at this, 3 ways up, right? Right, so it looks like a a 3 ways up there. So that's basically what we think is gonna happen. Okay, as long as we stay below the X, we can see another leg down. Now, in terms of what will be the potential target on the downside, if we really go down, potentially we can go to the next 100% of this, so which is going to be 154 potentially, all the way to 127. But for now, potentially 154. All right. So as long as the rally fails below 203, there's a chance we go down again, and we can go around $150. All right. That's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on Nvidia or any other stock, ETF, indices, Forex, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.